Welcome to the Unifier demo. Unifier is your single window into dozens of engineering data sources within your telecom network. Unifier supports multiple time granularities and network topologies to allow easy drill-down analysis of your KPIs from different data sources. Quickly plot geographical thematic maps for any of the available KPIs and then drill down along aggregation levels, be it region, tracking area code, site or cell for deeper analysis. Information is synchronized across all widgets, so you can quickly switch between different areas to analyze information more efficiently. Create dynamic time series charts by selecting the KPIs you need out of the KPI repository. Navigate along specialized views to review specific slices of your network, such as network performance, alarms, CM, CDRs, or network tickets. In addition, dashboards and specialized views can be created easily to adapt the solution to your requirements in a flexible way. To learn more, visit www.tupl.com or email us to ask for a demo at sales@tupl.com.